Hi everyone, this is Bank Nifty Future 1 minute chart. October 4, 9:15 am market opened. It's a gap up opening. So market is showing a positive sign. Current trading range 38,800. In this chart you will receive calls automatically. Whenever a trend breakout happens, the calls will come automatically. Previous day a sell call generated, so all candles are looking in red color, but once the trend change is confirmed by the chart, you will receive a call. At that time the candle color open point itself, the candle color will change. Let me show you a live example. So the buy call begin, the candle opened in a green color. Buy at 38,853 is your entry point. So future traders can take entry now. If you are an option trader, then you can go for a call option. According to the premium that you can afford, then you can choose your option. So on daily basis, you will receive calls in this chart automatically. How you are watching the video right now, every day, you are just going to watch this chart. Simply just open the chart and watch it. In live market, a breakout happened means you will receive the calls immediately. Simply, the first candle itself achieved more than 80% of the target. Now a new candle open, that is helping to reach the first target range. The first target is 38,950, that is 97 point target that got breakout within 2 minutes of the buy call generator. At 9:20 am, within 5 minutes of buy call generated, second target also reached. Now market is breaking out 39,200 range. So likewise, today future chart shown some positive side and it easily break out the target. Let's watch option chart also. So you will get idea how it worked in option chart. In future chart our entry point is 38,800. So we are showing 38,700 call option. At 3:28 the buy call generated, and meanwhile the 9:20 am, meanwhile at that time only the market break out the second target. 450 is the trading range, and then market current trading range is 510. So like this only the future and option chart, the calls will look like in this chart. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart means, you can just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We will provide you the details. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.